O, di ba mukha kang ano? Ako na, ka naman.
Basher ko, guys. Yan yung basher ko. Insert natin yung meme niya. Harap pa ng outfit check. So here's the pool, everyone. Hello, everyone. We are here in Pansol, Laguna with my family. Say hi to my vlog, birthday girl.
Hi po! Hi! Welcome to the resort.
With my family. Hi, Timmy. Nag-vlog ako. Vlog pala yun. Guys, gabi na. May kanya-kanya na silang mundo. I don't know what to do. May nag-iihaw over there. And luluto here. Hey girl, kaway! Ken! 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 Hi to Hill, say hi to my vlog. What are you cooking? Hi! Hello kay dyan, people! Say hi! Hey to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to the... Yay! O, dahan-dahan ka mo, madulas ka. Kain, guys. Ang init, guys! Oh my gosh! Ba't ang init? Ang init! Bye guys, mag-swimming muna kami kasi tapos na ako kumain kaya mag-swimming na ako. Bye! Gosh, baka mabasa yung phone ko, but here's my dad and Tito Hill playing billiard. Mga bulinggits.
Oh my God! Hi! For the swimming!
Here's the baker girl. Where's Timmy? Timmy!
Timmy, may nagpa-vlog.
Hi guys, tapos na akong maligo. Galing ko. Ay. Ayoko na. Kakagising ko lang, guys. Kakagising ko lang. Almusal muna tayo.
Ikaw sana ang aking yata-yata. Ang iyong kamay ang lagi kong awa at hindi kanya
8 a.m. Naligo na sila guys. Guys, wake up. What happened to you? Hey. Masakit ang ngipin mo. Lunchtime.